Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Nabila Putri Diwani, class PGSD 21C. Here I will present the product that I want to offer you. I will explain about bag product from Jimsani. I dedicate my life to be a bag seller from Jimsani. A recap of my business trip. In 2010, I was curious about bag from Jimsani. In 2012, I started to become obsessed with bag from Jimsani because the bags from Jimsani are really good and original. Then in 2015, I tried to become a Jimsani reseller, and in 2020, it turned out that my attempt to become a reseller of bag from Jimsani was successful. And in 2020, the sales development was very fast, so that sales reached overseas. And in 2021, bag product from Jimsani will start know a lot of people and sales are smooth. I first learned about Jimsani product from my mother, and this product made a change in my life. And the unique and varied model became an interest in this bag product from Jimsani. This bag product also features an elegant bag so that it matches my outfit mix when I go to the office. This bag is the bag that attracts me for the first time and recommend you to buy this bag because elegant and sweet. And this is the bag that makes me curious because of the unique shape. I sell and promote it through the WhatsApp application. Is a simple application and there is no need to add application. If you're interested, you can WhatsApp me. A few percentage about bag product from Jimsani. I'm sorry if there's a word from me wrong. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.